In this tutorial, we want to draw this playground logo in Inkscape. I'm using Inkscape 1.0. So go to the star and polygon tool and then choose star, and for corners choose 6, and for spoke ratio choose 0.5, and for rounded choose 1. And then come here and draw something like this. The direction of the feet is not important now. This is not important, just leave it as it is. Draw something like this and then go to select it and then do a duplicate by going to edit and then duplicate. Now let's give the duplicate a different color just for visibility purposes, and then we go to objects and then go to transform, and then when this dialog box pops up, go to rotate, and rotate we choose the angle 30 degrees and choose this clockwise. Actually you can choose clockwise or anti-clockwise. Anyway, I'm using clockwise and do apply, and then now go and select both and then go to path and then go to division. Now you get something like this. If yours, because you drew it, was not what you wanted because of the fits here, you can always come here, select this and rotate it so you get it as mine is. I mean, you can make it like this more or less. Okay, now we are coming, we choose this and then give it this color here, choose this and then give it this color. I think it was this. Now we choose this and give it the color yellow. We choose this and give it this color green here, and then we would let's draw a circle. Go for your circle tool. We want to draw a perfect circle, so go to shift control and draw a circle, something like this, which we will adjust when we bring it to there. We bring it here. Now I would suggest you adjust the head a bit to cover these things here. So I go to shift control and then I extend this to cover everything that is there more or less. The moment it covers this, I think it's sufficient. And this, I gave it this color. Oops, it has to be selected. Give it this color. I think it was this. And then the inner one, I gave it this color here. And then I went for my create edit text object tool, and then I wrote, I'm using, by the way, I'm using the font sans serif, and then the font size depends on how big this your thing is. Now I'm using 28. You can always change it. If you don't have sans serif, you can always go here and scroll through and look for the font. Now I do playground, and then I think the playground, I actually did not use I use this color here, and then you can move it somewhere here. You can make it big by going to shift control, make it big a bit to suit how big your logo is. I think the color I used was this actually. Yeah, this is the color, sorry, this is the color. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please come again, and thank you to my subscribers, and please, if you are new, please subscribe to my channel to help me. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.